Hey friends, today in this video I'm going to explain about a new Windows update that is recently launched by Microsoft and that I installed on my system. After installing this KB, that is KB50666793, that you can see this is successfully installed. After this update, that we can see there is a biggest change that is given by the Microsoft when we downloaded any PDF file and going to click on this, and so we are unable to see the preview of this file because of this Windows patch that is recently launched by the Microsoft. So when we just checked it on the Google, so we found that this KB article had just disable the preview features for files which you downloaded from the internet. So basically this is not not intentionally, or you cannot say that this is like something issue of the Microsoft, but this is something that they made the changes inside the security features of the Windows. Basically, this changes was implemented to enhance security by preventing a vulnerability where NTLM credentials could be leaked when a user simply selected a potential unsafe file for the preview. So whenever you are downloading any file from the internet, so this is whether a harmful file or it's like a trusted file, that is only controlled by this patch. So when I going to click on this file, so you can see currently I'm unable to open it, and when I'm going to right click on this file, so I can see there is a new change that they recently launched, and this is simply saying that this file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. So if you want to preview this file, so simply you need to click on the unblock option and then apply and OK. So when you trust this file, then only I would recommend you to click on the unblock, or if you don't trust the file, so you simply leave it as accordingly. So after validating this article that I generated by the Gemini over here, so you can see this is the same way that they explained, like how to unblock this restricted or locked file. So basically the file downloaded from the internet are marked with a mark of the web. So because this is downloaded from the web, so how you can identify this mark of the web of any file? So simply you need to open the PowerShell script and just click this, write this command over here. So when you execute this command by the specifying the path, so what I did, I just copied this file into the D drive and then executed this command. After executing, if you are able to see this zone.identifier, it means this is a file which is mark of the web. So if you want to unblock, if you want to remove this option, so simply you need to right click on the file and unblock it. Once you will unblock it, click on the OK. Now go on this file again. Now you can see this file is currently visible, and you can preview the file over here in the downloads pane wherever that you have downloaded or you copied somewhere else. So this is the like new features that is recently launched by the Microsoft. So don't worry, just inform within your team, within your like organization, so they can understand the features of this Microsoft with the KB article, that is KB50666793, which is just launched by the Microsoft in October security patches. Thank you for watching this video.